What's up, guys? This is Seb from Forever Two Wheelin, and this is episode 1. As you can tell from all the goodness behind me today, we're going to be installing some original Garage Moto 6.5-inch pullback risers, their top clamp, their gauge relocation, their perch clamps. We're also going to throw on some ODI bars, and we're going to put on some Heartluck grips. Let's check it out. What's going on, guys? So typically what I like to do is I will grab my triple tree, especially with these 3-piece bar designs. I like to kind of finger tight everything on. I put the bars in, I put my top clamp on, I kind of square that together, because once you put your bars in, your top clamp, you put these in, it'll square up your risers, and then you can put that, bolt that whole assembly together. I like to just kind of guess the angle that everything's going to be on. That looks okay to me, and it's good enough for now. You're going to tweak everything once you get everything on the bike. So I got my top clamp tightened down. You know what? We're gonna give this a twerk. So like I said, all this is really doing is squaring up the risers to the top clamp, to the bar. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tighten up my bottom. And of course, we don't want to die, so we're going to check manufacturer's spec on the torque.